Welcome to the Premium Floors B2B training video. Okay, to access your B2B, you need to go to the Premium Floors Australia website. Once you're at our website, scroll down to the very bottom of the page, literally right down to the bottom, and find this little link down here, my.premiumfloors.com.au. Click on that link and it takes you to the B2B login screen. This is where you enter your registered email address and password for B2B. If you've forgotten that password, please click the Forgot Password link. It will then email you details to that registered email address, and you can reset your password. Click Login and it will take you to the home screen. Very simple. This is where you can do a quick search, look at products, look at your order history, quick order, downloads, contact, frequently asked questions, and your cart. So it's a very simple site, just like any other internet ordering site. If you'd like to check some stock or place an order, the way I most commonly do it is via the product section. Click on product. If I'm after, say, Impressive Ultra Black Butt, I would go to laminate, obviously, quick step. Let it open that page. Now it's going to open up a page with every quick step laminate, which is way too many products for me to filter through. So I scroll down and I click on the Impressive Ultra tab here, which will filter for me, and I'll get rid of everything that I don't want. So instead of looking at 70 odd products, I'm going to be looking at not many at all. Alright, there we go. Quick step Impressive Ultra Black Butt. That's what I need. Gives me a quick little photo, gives me the product code, description, dimensions of the product, square meterage of the box. It gives me my local stock and extended lead time stock. Very important information right here with your local stock and extended lead time stock. Please never count on this extended lead time stock. It is a great advisory tool for you, but if that stock is ever low, please contact your local rep or your office just to double check if you can access that stock, because it is not guaranteed to be transferred to you. Use it as a tool only, not a guarantee. So you can order straight from here if you like. If that's all the information you need, you can order straight away. If you need a little bit more information, you can either click on the photo or the code, and it will open up a larger screen for that product with a few more bits of information on there. This top screen is basically exactly the same as the previous screen until we scroll down. We've got a few tabs here, so the product details tab, our accessories tab, and our media tab. So the product details just gives you an expanded view of everything that was listed on the previous one. So it's going to have your fire ratings, your scratch resistance, a few more technical details for you. Possibly the most important and useful section is the accessories tab. So the accessories will give you all the accessories that go with that product. So if you're trying to find a colour match scotia for the Black Butt, you'd click on the scotia. The best colour matching product for that floor is the one that comes up first in the list. So it makes it nice and easy for you. You can add your 2 lengths of scotia, add it to cart, scroll up, order your 1 box, make sure you've got boxes, pallets or meters. You can add your box straight away to your cart, and now we can check out. Very simple. Very simple. If you add any comments or make any changes, it does make you save them before you move to the next step. It's not going to let me do anything because I made a change and I've deleted it, so I need to save it first. So if for some reason it's not letting you move forward, just double check that. So we click the checkout button. It'll open up the next screen, which is my payment type screen. So these are the screens that we've got to go through up here. Shipping address, dispatch date, final review. So you select your account payment type, put in your purchase order number, click next. It's very, very simple. getting through all this. Select your address. Click Next. Confirm the dispatch date. That's a very important button to select. If you don't select the right date, you could be in a bit of trouble. Any information that you need to give the office, whether your rep gave you a special price, whether there's a special date that someone's going to pick up from the warehouse, any information delivery drivers need or the warehouse needs to know about that particular order, please put it here, and the office will input all that information into your invoice for you. From here, click Next. And this is your final review. You go through, make sure everything's correct. If that is good, hit your place order button and you're done. That's how easy ordering and checking stock on B2B is. If you've got any questions, please contact your local rep or your office. And happy ordering. Thank you very much for watching.